Welcome to our paid online writing jobs training program. Looking for a way to make money while using your writing skills? Look no further. Our program is designed to give you the tools and training you need to succeed in the paid online writing industry. In this program, you will learn the skills and techniques needed to create high-quality content for a variety of online platforms. Our training covers topics such as SEO, content writing, and grammar and style checking. You'll also get instructions on how to create a professional online presence and build your network. Our program is fully equipped with practical training materials and resources, including sample content, writing guides, and video tutorials. Our experienced instructors will guide you through the process step by step and ensure you have a solid understanding of the skills needed to succeed in the industry. Once you complete the program, you will have the knowledge and skills to apply for paid writing jobs in a variety of fields. Whether you're interested in writing for online publications, bloggers, or businesses, our training will help you get started and succeed. Don't miss this opportunity to improve your writing skills and make money online. Join our paid online writing jobs training program today and start your journey to a successful paid writing career.